Okay, let's make a farmhouse book stack. We're going to use some chalk paint to paint some books. I have a stack here of 4 books that have all been painted. Then I just use some E6000 glue to stack the entire set of books together so they don't come apart. So you're just going to put a layer of glue in between each of the books, and then you're going to take your vinyl. This is just adhesive Oracal 651 vinyl. One of the designs we split into 4 parts and cut and weeded it on the cutting machine. Then you can use regular transfer tape, burnish it down, pull each piece of the vinyl up so that you can then apply to each of the book spines. So you can do this for all 4 or however many books you have in your book stack, and tie it all together with some twine, add a little greenery, maybe a flower, however you want to do it to style it, and you have a perfect farmhouse book stack. This is such a nice farmhouse piece of decor that's really inexpensive and easy to make. Isn't it adorable? You can make with any design that you want.